Alright, so today this is the new dart controller on the current production ovens we're building. So I'm going to walk you through. There's a couple of things to program on them in the event that you need to change, like belt direction, or this is also the same controller for if you're replacing one of the older Anaheim controllers that say XLT on the front. This is the same controller that you'll get there. So this controller is capable of running the newer motor and also the older, the smaller gray motor. So we're going to go through those settings here today. So the first thing, you got to turn the oven on, and then you've got to hold the enter and the up button at the same time. So you'll see this set heat pop up, and then you're going to hold the enter button, and then it'll go to, so you'll see that pad question mark pop up, and then you'll see the all zeros here. So to get into the first setting, we're going to go 1, press enter, 2, enter, 3, 4. So then you get to this P000. So you're going to go to P001, press enter, and this is where the PB here is the belt direction and the 70 is the belt length. So there's PB and PF, and that's for left to right or right to left. And then the last two digits, the 70, is for the belt length. So if you needed to go to a 55-inch oven, you would change it to a PB55 if that's the belt direction you wanted. So once you do that, you'll save your change there. Go back to P000, press enter. It will take you back to the time. So at this point, you could set the time for whatever your proper belt speed is. We're going to set it for 5 minutes here. You have to press enter. So that's to change the belt direction and the belt length. So now you're going to turn it off. We're going to turn it back on, and we're going to go back into that setting. So instead of doing 1, 2, 3, 4, this time we're going to do 5, 6, 7, 8. So then we're going to go to P002, press enter. And so now it's set for 005. So 005 is the correct setting for the newer style motor. If you had the older style motor that you were running, you would change it to a 3. So since we're running the newer motor, we're going to leave it at a 5. Press enter, go back to P000, enter, and it will take you back to your time. At this point, once you get into the programming, the motor stops running. So after you save your selections, you've got to turn it off, turn it back on, and then your motor will begin to run. That's it.